Best 3 Hair Removal Cream. Number 1. Neo Men Hair Removal Cream. With some hair removal creams, you'll slide on the formula, wait a few minutes, wipe it off, and your hair is still there, in full force. If that's happened to you one too many times, it's time to swap and try out this cream. The formula is gentle, shout out to aloe vera and vitamin E, but it actually works to remove thick and coarse body hair. Number 2. Nads Facial Hair Removal Cream. If you're looking for a hair removal cream that you can use without compromising your morals, look no further. This gentle cruelty-free cream removes your facial hair, while also soothing and softening your skin, all thanks to the almond oil in the formula. Number 3. Veet Legs and Body 3-in-1 Gel Cream Hair Remover. Veet Fast Acting Gel Cream removes hair gently and effectively, leaving your skin feeling smooth and moisturized. Formulated with aloe vera and vitamin E. The dermatologist-tested cream comes in a pump bottle with a spatula for easy application and removal. The sensitive formula works quickly in 5 minutes, and hair takes up to twice as long to grow back when compared to shaving. The effective Veet Fast Acting Gel Cream penetrates your skin to dissolve hair closer to the root than shaving. Depending on texture and length, it removes hair in as little as 5 minutes. There's no leftover razor stubble or a danger of nicks and bumps. The dermatologist-tested Veet Fast Acting Gel Cream keeps skin smooth up to twice as long as shaving. Veet products allow you to achieve silky, smooth skin. Backed by over 80 years of experience, Veet is preferred by over 30 million women around the world every year. Their easy-to-use products include creams and waxes that fit into your busy, modern lifestyle. Veet continues to introduce new products to stay in tune with women's hair removal needs.